How to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First things first is that we need to open our Snapchat application in our mobile device. Once open, you can actually see a menu bar below. Go to your Tools section. Now click on Double Exposure. After which, add a photo using this icon right here down below. And then afterwards, what you're going to do is to simply choose the photo of the same kind. After that is that you're just simply gonna reposition the other picture. All right, and then once repositioned, simply go to the saturation section below. All right, and then click 100 or drag it to 100. After that, what you're going to do next is that you're going to click on this button and click on View Edits afterwards. When you click on your view edits, there will be a double exposure. Click on the brush icon and then simply brush out the person. Be very careful of this process. And afterwards, once you click on the check mark here in the lower right hand corner, the person will be removed. So that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.